Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. Now, if you've been to our website, you may have checked out one of the earlier projects called a jump scare slideshow. It's not very spooky or anything, but you press the green flag and let's say my favorite backdrops in Scratch. And just kind of shows you some different backdrops. And then we're going to have a ghost, oh no, appear inside of the project. Okay, so this one's randomized. Now, I want to show you another idea that is kind of like this. So this particular project is called Sunset Forest Speed Drawing and is by Orange Blue Sky. Now, we press the green flag. It's going to show you how they basically drew something that's going to show up at the very end. Okay, so it's going through a slideshow where it's adding in different parts of the drawing. But instead of having a jump scare, little spooky effect, it's instead showing you how they are creating a drawing in Scratch. And that, I think, is a really neat idea. If you've got a neat idea that you'd like to share, make sure you comment below. And if you want to check out this particular project, you can check it out using the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.